In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and download Steam Cloud Saves. If you've ever wanted a quick way to back up your progress or move saves between devices, this method uses Steam's own website so you can safely grab exactly the files you need. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Steam's website, then sign into your account. Make sure you are using the correct account where your games are registered. You might be asked to confirm your sign-in with Steam's security prompt. That's normal and helps protect your data. Once you are in, look to the top navigation menu and click Support. This area hosts tools for managing your account and content, and it's where Steam keeps your data access options. On the Support page, select My Account. From there, choose Data related to your Steam account. Think of this as your central dashboard for viewing the information linked to your profile. It's designed for transparency, and it includes a section dedicated to files you've uploaded through Steam services. Scroll down until you see the Uploaded Content section. Find the Steam Cloud entry and click it. This opens a page that lists your games that use Steam Cloud along with their associated save files. It's essentially a catalog of the data Steam has stored for you online. You'll now see a list of your games that have cloud saves. Next to each game, click Show Files to expand its entries. If you don't see a particular title here, it may not support Steam Cloud, or you might not have any cloud saves for it yet. When you expand a game, you'll typically see multiple files. Many games save progress across several files or folders. And you might notice timestamps or file sizes that help you identify the most recent or relevant ones. To download a save, click the Download button next to the file you want. Your browser will prompt you to choose a location on your computer. Pick a clearly labeled folder so you can find the file later, and consider keeping these downloads as backups rather than overwriting anything immediately. The files you receive are the exact copies stored in the cloud, so they're great for safekeeping or restoring progress. If there are multiple versions, use the date or time listed to select the newest one. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.